Hello friends and welcome to Cooking with Rod. All the ingredient amounts will be down in the description below, and you can pause the video as you do each step of the recipe. If you make this recipe, please leave a comment and let us know how it went. Here we go. Today we're making homemade potato and cheese pierogies. There's nothing more comforting than these soft, tender dough filled with creamy mashed potatoes and cheese, then boiled and pan fried until golden brown. In this recipe, I'll walk you step by step through making pierogies completely from scratch, using simple ingredients and classic techniques inspired by Chef John from Food Wishes. These pierogies freeze beautifully, making them perfect for meal prep or special family dinners. Alright, we're going to need some melted butter. In a large bowl, we're going to mix the flour and salt together. Then we're going to add our egg, sour cream, and melted butter. And we're going to stir that together until a shaggy dough forms. Okay, we're going to dump that out on a floured surface. We're going to knead that until smooth and soft. That'll take about 3 or 4 minutes. And we're going to cover that and let it rest for about 30 minutes. Okay, while that's resting, we're gonna peel and chop our potatoes. And we're gonna boil our potatoes in a large pot of salted water until very tender. And then we're gonna drain those very well in a colander. And we're gonna mash those until smooth. We're gonna stir in our butter and cheese. We're going to season that up with some salt and pepper, then let it cool completely. Now we're going to roll out our dough on a floured surface until about 1/8 of an inch thick. Now we're going to cut those into circles, about 3 to 4 inches in diameter. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of filling to the center of each circle. Then we're going to carefully fold those in half. We're going to pinch the edges to tightly seal them. We're going to bring a pot of salted water up to a gentle boil. Then we're going to drop the pierogies in the water in batches. We're going to cook them until they float, plus about 1 extra minute. And we're going to remove them with a slotted spoon. And we're going to melt the butter in a skillet over medium heat. And we're going to fry those until golden brown on both sides. We're going to serve those while they're still hot with some sour cream and maybe some caramelized onions, some crispy bacon bits, and some fresh chives. So there you go, potato and cheese pierogies. Enjoy. You can fill these with just about anything. I'm going to be doing a playlist with a bunch of different ways to do pierogies. You can do them classic traditional fillings like potato and onion, potato, cheese and bacon, farmer's cheese, sauerkraut and onion, sauerkraut and mushrooms. You can do different cheeses, cheddar, cream cheese, ricotta, parmesan, mozzarella and potato, smoked Gouda and potato, 4 cheese blend. You can do veggie ones, you can do meat ones, you can do sweet ones, you can do modern fusion ones. The number of fillings are endless, so wait for my playlist to come out and check it out. The complete written recipe will be in the description box down below, so check that out. If you like my content, I'll put a couple of videos that you can watch until my next upload. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and share with your friends. We'll see you next time.